Maghatod ni Maying sa school.
Hurry up. What happened to your shoes? Huh?
I wanna go late.
So that's why you're walking slow, because you want to be late?
Wait, what time is it?
It's time to go.
Let's wait a while.
Huh?
What time?
Bye, please. Please, Daddy. Yes. Bye, babe.
Yan, nagkuha sa kinamagawangan sa high school si ate.
Hey, babe, what took you? Where you been? You salad?
Can you stop, Dad?
Huh?
Can you stop?
Okay.
Unya atong asawa sa gym. Basta grocery, teamwork, pagkaon na gani, Maying, sigurado.
Come over here and bring the egg. Go, guys. What's next?
Ano this be what, babe?
Nagduha-duha pa ang bugoy kung mag-popcorn ba ko o mag-burger.
$1 kape.
Malang onions.
$1 kape ng onions.
Ako ano na, babe?
And then you're missing a vanilla and a chocolate. I'll get that for you right now.
Mabalik ko na ba?
There should be a vanilla shake, and then I'll get you that chocolate shake
Okay,
right now.
great. Thank you. Look at that, babe.
So, right.
Babe, look, babe.
In and out na lang nga burger. Wa may karinderya.
Okay, here, guys. Where's my meal, babe?
Here you go. Yeah, of course. You would like.
Where you guys been? Ozzy.
Oh, did you buy food? No.
Food again, Maying?
Food. Carry my dog. Carry my dog. Carry.
I used to rule the world.
Akong pakyang, busy kanunay, daghang gibuhat.